Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to enable or disable media players for Spotify on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then go to these three lines up here and click on the settings, and now go to the content in the media. Next, go to the external media. Now as you see here, you will find Spotify, so click on it just like this. So that's how to turn on or enable or disable Spotify or media players for Spotify on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.